Hello all. So today we are solving AtCoder beginner contest question number C, that is word ladder. Here we are given two strings S and T and we need to convert S into T. But the conversion should be in minimum number of operations and the order should be lexicographically smallest one. Uh, the statement can be a little bit of difficult to understand, but this is what the crux is all about. And finally, we have to convert S into T, and we can convert only one character, that is a different character obviously, that we have in S to the character corresponding character in T in one operation, and we need to minimize this operation, and the order should be lexicographically smallest. Let's quickly check first the constraint we should be looking at. So constraints are 100, so up to n cube logarithmic of n cube operations we can perform. It should be working fine, but I don't think so it will take that much time. So input is basically we are given S and T, and output should be, if the minimum operation is M, then I need to first output what is the count of M, and then accordingly how the strings changed, that is we need to give our output as. So let's consider ADBE is our S and we need to convert to BCBC. Okay, so it says that it required three operations to convert it. First, what it did, it convert ADBE to ACBC. Okay, so that is the first and the lexicographically smallest we need to check in mind. So let's first identify where the differences are. A to B, that is one difference. D to C, another difference. B is common, no difference. And C to E. So first we need to understand that what the places, the count of places where SI and TI differ, that is the summation of those places will be our answer, right? Here we have three places where we have the differences, so finally output is 3. And so this was pretty much simple to find out the count, like what is the count. But the main thing in this question is how we are changing it, and it should be lexicographically smallest. So let's try out how we can convert it. So initially we have ADBE. In first operation, what we can do, we can convert A to B, so it will be BDBE. Okay, this is our first contender, let's suppose. Our second could be, I let it be as A, in I convert D to C, and then it will be BE. Okay, and my third contender will be, I convert the last one, that is it will remain ADBC. Okay, but I need to find the smallest. Like every time we have to go lexicographically smallest. So out of this, ACBE is lexicographically smallest. So my output is ACBE. Okay. So now what we go? Now I will take in mind that I have ACBE. Okay. Now I have two options. Now the places where it differ is two. So I will check like what are those places. First A to B. So it will become BCBE. Otherwise, my second could be ACBBC. Sorry, yeah. Again, I have two options available. I'll choose ACBC. Again, the same reason, lexicographically smallest, so it is ACBC. And finally, we are just left with one option, that is convert A to B, so it is BCBC. Okay, so this is what we need to do. You can check out the other examples that are given for more understanding. I'll quickly jump to my logic. I have implemented it. Initially, I took S and T. Then what I did, I created a vector of answer where I will be storing how the changes have occurred. And basically, finally, the size of my answer vector will be the count of M. And eventually, I'll print out what the element I have in the answer vector. Now, focus on this while loop. So while my S is not equal to T, what I'll do is, in okay, I'll initialize my difference with Z. I will initialize my difference with Z and position with -1. I'll quickly go and check where the difference lies. So I'll give you, let's say, a couple of seconds to understand why I have mentioned that when my S of I is greater than T of I, I'll just capture that position and leave out. I have give you all some moment to think about it. You can pause the video and think. So why so? Because dictionary, what happens lexicographically, it is sorted. So in dictionary, very first word, if it's A, it will come first. If it's B, then it will come after B. So where the first position where it can be converted, I captured that when my T of I is less than S of I. I captured that position and what the letter is and break out of the loop. I update my S with that character and push back to my answer vector. Okay, this is when my Ti is smaller than S of I. Otherwise, what I need to do is I'll I when now this is the case my Si is less than or less than equal to T of I. In that case, I'll change the farthest element. So I'll keep on updating my position and character difference, that is the difference, until my entire s dot size is looped over. And whatever the position and character I get, I'll update that with value and append that string s to my answer. So yeah, this was the main logic about these questions. If you have any doubt, please do comment out. I love to answer those. So yeah, thank you.